So many AI agent projects fail for one simple reason. No one specifies how much autonomy the agent should have. So here's how to fix that. I'm Adam from Agentic Risks, where we help firms adopt agentic AI safely. And here's what you need to know about AI Agent Autonomy Policy. If you're rolling out AI agents in your organization, downloading our free autonomy policy template will save you time, money, and risk. Crucially, this is because autonomy is not a binary concept. Rather, you must set the right level for each use case. Otherwise, your agentic transformation will either overexpose you or underwhelm. Our latest article explains the risks, trade-offs, and oversight needed, especially in regulated industries. And it demonstrates what a best practice AI agent autonomy policy should include, from objectives and risk appetite to governance, approval, explicit monitoring of autonomy levels, and a step-by-step AI agent adoption strategy. We've also created a free policy template for you to download and customize. Get your copy now, read the article to learn more, and start defining your AI agent autonomy policy with confidence.